tracing changes through 1000 years. Dear children, what you read in class 6 was ancient history. What you are going to read in class 8 is modern history. And what you are going to read in class 7th is medieval history. This medieval history deals with 8th and 18th century. In this chapter, we are going to talk about the variety of changes that took place in 1000 years of Indian medieval history. Let me repeat, the variety of changes that took place in 1000 years of Indian medieval history. Change 1. There were two different maps made by two different cartographers. Cartographer means a person who makes maps. Map 1 made by the Arab geographer Al-Idrisi in 1154 CE. It was little difficult to understand because it was upside down. That means Sri Lanka on the top and India was at the bottom. Moreover, what he mentioned, the name of the places were in Arabic language. And there are some popular places of Uttar Pradesh like Kaunas spelt as Kwanach. Map 2. It was made by French cartographer. It was quite different from Map 1 with all respects. It was drawn in the 1720s, that is 600 years after Map 1. This map is more familiar to us. It was much useful than Map 1 as it was more detailed. It was used by the European sailors and merchants on the voyages. Change 2. New and old terminologies. The meaning of the Hindustan changed over the centuries. In the 13th century, Persian chronicler Minhaj Siraj used the term Hindustan. Chronicler means one who keeps records of past events. Chronicler means one who keeps records of past events. He meant that the area of Punjab and Haryana and the lands between Ganga and Yamuna is Hindustan. He used the term in political sense for the lands under the Delhi Sultanate. Babur. In the early 16th century, Babur used the term Hindustan. How did he describe, children? He described the geography of the flora, fauna and the culture of the inhabitants of the subcontinent. In 14th century, the poet Amir Khusro also felt the same like Babur. He referred to him for the culture and the people of Indus River. Another example, foreigner. A stranger who was not a part of society means foreigner. I repeat it, foreigner. A stranger who was not a part of society means a city dwellers must have regarded a forest dwellers as a foreigner. Now, what do we call, children? Someone who is not an Indian is foreigner. Next, today, Hindustan, the modern nation state. Today, we call it the modern nation state. Change 3. Historians and their sources. From archaeological evidence to literary sources. Archaeological evidences like coins, inscription, architecture means construction of forts, tombs, temples and paintings. Literary evidences, letters, teaching of saints, manuscripts, petitions and judicial records, holy text. Here, manuscript means handwritten book. Handwritten book. Manu means hand, script means writing. Scribes, a person who write books or documents by hand as a profession. Here, scribes, they used to copy from manuscript. Change 4. New changes in technology. Spinning wheel in weaving means device for spinning thread from fiber. Persian wheel for irrigation. It means sending water to the fields. It is more comfortable in agriculture. Firearms in combat. New foods like potato, chili and corn. Beverages like coffee, tea also arrived in this medieval period. New setup ideas occur in this medieval period. Change 5. Idea of bhakti became popular. Devotees could reach their deity. Religious developments. Major developments happened in Hindu religion. Every person deeply believed in God. The inclusion of new deities in Hinduism, the construction of temples by royalty, and the growing importance of Brahmanas. The priests as dominant group in society. Islam. New religion Islam came in this period. It accepted one God, that is Allah. It was interpreted by Shia and Sunni Muslims. Muslims regarded Quran as their holy book. All these new changes were also traced during this 1000 years of this period. I hope the concept is clear. Children, I have given a worksheet related to this topic. Complete it. Thank you for watching this video. Stay home, stay healthy and safe.